Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Of course, as always, not to waste anyone's time, we are going to dive all in. The link to the job page, if you're interested in putting that application in, is always in the YouTube description box below this video. If you like shopping as much as I do, you've probably heard of Ross Dress for Less stores. They have everything from clothes and shoes and home goods and luggage and all the things. They have a remote work from home position available right now as a coordinator for their human resources department. Now, they are paying fairly decent for this position, and they have no state restrictions. You can work anywhere in the United States. I know a lot of states, sometimes like California, are excluded. This one does not. They are basically looking for somebody to help manage all logistic, enrollment materials, and presenter scheduling and communications for their L&OD program. So new hire orientation, manager of developmental programming, and DE&I, diversity, equity, and inclusion, training events. You'll field meetings for HR meetings and courses. You're going to help establish and maintain processes to effectively manage course enrollments, track the employees that do attend those, collect the class evaluation feedback, and put that data together for monthly reporting. You're going to provide LMS and system support to manage course offerings and support system configuration efforts. Now, normally LMS, we use that where I work, is like an online platform where people log in and take trainings that are self-paced. You'll help maintain the content on the Ross's intranet website and draft and distribute any internal marketing communications as needed. So you're basically just going to be doing all of the human resources HR functions. Now, it says they do prefer a bachelor degree, but it doesn't state that it is required. They are looking for somebody who has 1 to 3 years of experience, somebody who can work in a fast-paced environment and multitask, and of course, you have to have those great computer skills, including knowing how to use those Microsoft Office products, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all of those things. And if you have experience with some kind of learning management online education system, that is a plus, but not required. Now, right here is where it says this position can be performed remotely anywhere within the United States. Now, as far as pay goes, the base pay range for this position is anywhere from $21.39 an hour all the way up to $30.91 an hour. And of course, that salary is dependent on different things like experience, skills, location, all of that. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave down in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. And I do see some comments today about some healthcare positions, so I am going now to be on the lookout for those. I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.